Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Amole Dashen bank app in your mobile. So for Android, you can just go to your Play Store, and for iOS, you can just go to your App Store. I will just go to Play Store here, and on the top you can see your search bar. You have to click on that. You have to type your Amole Dashen bank app and click on search, which is on bottom right. So basically, Amole Wallet is the new official mobile money app of Dashen Bank, and on the top right you can see your install button. You have to just click on that. The file size of this app is 23 MB, so it won't take that much of space on your device. People have rated it 3 out of 5, and as you can see here, 10k plus downloads. It is taking its peak steadily, and yet this is about to install. And yes, the app is downloaded here, and a shortcut is created on your home screen. You can just click on open and enjoy the app. And if you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.